Your Samsung Galaxy Watch, like any computer, can experience glitches. Restarting it is a simple fix for common issues such as frozen screens, unresponsive apps, connectivity problems, or unusual battery drain. A restart clears temporary files and refreshes the system, often resolving these problems without data loss. Think of it as a quick refresh for your smartwatch. The soft restart is your first line of defense against minor issues with your Samsung Galaxy Watch. To perform a soft restart, press and hold the power button located on the right side of the watch for a few seconds. A menu will appear on the screen. Select Restart or choose Power Off followed by Restart. This will safely close all apps and reboot the watch without losing data. Make sure your watch has at least 20% battery before restarting to avoid any issues. If your watch is frozen and not responding to the power button, you'll need to perform a force restart. Press and hold the power button and the home button or the side button on newer models simultaneously for 10 to 15 seconds. The watch will vibrate and reboot. This is a more forceful method, but it shouldn't erase your data. Let's walk through a soft restart. First, locate the power button on the right side of your Galaxy Watch. Press and hold it until the power menu appears. Use the touchscreen to select the restart option. Tap Restart again to confirm. Your watch will power down and then automatically turn back on. Wait for the Samsung logo to appear, indicating the restart is complete. Now, let's try a force restart. Locate both the power button and the home or side button on your Galaxy Watch. Press and hold both buttons simultaneously. Keep holding them for 10 to 15 seconds. You should feel a vibration indicating the watch is restarting. Release the buttons and allow the watch to reboot. This may take a few moments. Before restarting your Galaxy Watch, there are some important considerations to keep in mind. First, always ensure your watch has sufficient battery life, at least 20%, before attempting a restart. This prevents potential issues that could arise from low power during the process. Second, avoid performing restarts too frequently. Excessive restarts can potentially wear out the device's components over time, so use them only when necessary. Finally, it's important to distinguish restarting from a factory reset. A restart simply refreshes the system without erasing your data, while a factory reset wipes all personal information and settings. If your Galaxy Watch fails to restart using either method, try charging it for at least 30 minutes before attempting the restart again. If the watch still doesn't respond, it may indicate a more serious hardware or software issue. In such cases, contact Samsung support or visit an authorized service center for assistance. Looking ahead, Samsung is integrating AI-driven diagnostics to suggest restarts automatically. Future updates may even allow for over-the-air restarts triggered by your smartphone. Battery optimization improvements are also making restarts less frequent. Keep an eye out for seamless smart restarts, where your watch could self-reboot based on usage patterns.